Oh, this is what we doing. I gotta get cocky on this one. I gotta get a little cocky on this one. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Car came with a slug in it.
And I made bitch coming in. Estamos bien, mi gente. Welcome back to my channel. It's that girl Riza. Tengo ya la ceja hecha y solamente base, un poquito de concealer y un poquito de setting powder. Sé que me veo a little crazy, me veo un poquito fantasma, but that's okay. So, dame hacer un asterisco antes de decirle el mood del look de hoy. Look what I just fucking did, yo. Con mi uña. I just murdered this fucking highlighter. I fucked it up, man. This is the Diamond Ball Out kilowatt highlighter. Fenty Beauty is just dropping back to back. She dropped this one, and like this packaging, get into this packaging, like tiene brillitos de verdad. Like when I opened this in the mail, cuando abrí esto en el correo, it was a fucking moment. Like brillitos así cayéndose cuando lo estaba abriendo. I was like, ah! I was like, ah! I'm gonna do a look today that is gonna feature this highlight, the gloss, and then the silver diamond ball out. Okay, so this is what we're gonna get into. To accompany and create my look today, I'm gonna use the Patrick Star times MAC collection. This was the first launch, the holiday collection, just because this has like really classic colors.
With bitch truck, put my mother in it. These checks keep on repeating. My bank account got a stutter in it. Bitch nigga, I'm eating. Treat the pussy like a plumber, nigga, put my plunger in it.
She's screaming. Okay, ya tengo que quitar la música because if not, I can't have my video up. So I have some setting powder on my face, and I started off with MAC Soft Brown in my crease. Now I'm gonna deepen my crease a little more with Saddle by MAC in the Patrick Star palette. Here I'm grabbing Embark, which is a even deeper shade. This gives a really nice smoky, it's a little smoky, good smoky color, okay? I'm putting that more in the outer V's of my eye, and here I'm going with that Fenty Diamond, I think this is Diamond Ball Out. The name is a kilowatt highlighter, and this came first. Like, this is the sister to Wifey. Remember Wifey, Trophy Wife was a gold, then this is just a silver. Now I'm dusting off the setting powder excess on my face, and I'm lining my waterline, and now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. And my lower lash line, I had to go back and forth so many times for this look because for some reason, you know, si no me estoy haciendo el maquillaje todos los días, like practice really does make perfect. So now I'm going to my cheeks using a very glowy blush by MAC. I felt like this look needed a wing eyeliner, so I did that with my fly liner from Fenty Beauty. Here, I'm going with that KKW brightening powder, y'all. Y'all need to get it. It's really good. I love it. And then I'm just bronzing up my face with a little of Marc Jacobs Omega Tantastic bronzer. Okay. Now, I'm just giving my underbrow bone a little bit of highlight right there. And just now I'm gonna go real ham with my mascara. This is Le Volume by Chanel. Okay, I'm back.
Fuck with me and get some money.
Fuck with me and get some money.
Fuck with me and get some money. Fuck with G and get some money. No,
I'm a fucking soldier. Alright guys, so I went and changed my shirt, put some accessories, a hat, cause my hair, I'm not dealing with my hair, okay? So don't judge me. Main event of this video is gonna be how many carats from the Diamond Ball and the lip gloss. So pretty, look at that. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some on my brush. There we go. Look at that, so pretty. Kind of like, it's true what they say, it does make the skin look wet, but it's literally fine glitter. So it's literally fine glitter, so pretty. It makes the skin look wet, it makes the skin beam. Wow. I feel like you can definitely just like apply and apply and apply. So I'm gonna go ahead and like look at that. That is pretty. Whoa, look at that. That's so nice. That is so nice. And like, you don't need a lot. Like, just tap a little bit and you're good. Nice. I'm a very gloss girl, so I'm very excited about this. I did put a little bit of the highlight on my Cupid's bow, and that just kind of like gave me a preview of like what this is gonna be like for real. So no need to double dip, it's enough. Damn, it's so bright. Like, the light is not really doing it any justice here. Like, ooh, that looks sexy. Yeah, that is sexy. That's a gloss right there. So far, I am a big Rihanna fan. I'm a big Fenty Beauty fan. So I've been liking all of the products that have been coming out. With this, I'm definitely gonna work a lot with this now. I don't want to say it's the same or similar, but kind of like this wet look, wet beaming skin look. I was achieving that with the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. Obviously, this is just one product and it's probably cost less than the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette, but this is the look that's coming in this season for the skin. Get on it, girl, get on it. This is my Migos shirt. There we go. Girl. All right, so this is gonna be it today for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and film a little makeup haul with this same look. And los veo en la próxima, mi gente. Bye.